Hey, welcome my friends. I'm Vanessa and I'm with Scrapping It Up, and today I'm going to do a final review on my interactive 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. So welcome. Alright, I designed these, I decorated them with the Simple Stories Vintage Rustic Christmas collection. It is a Christmas collection, from last year. But oh my gosh, it turned out beautiful. So with my 12 by 12 interactive pages, it is 12 by 12 pages that is inside of a 3D ring binder. Okay, it's they're not in page protectors. They are very interactive. Okay, so let me try and make sure. It's going to be hard to keep this on video. But here I have my cover page. And I always like to do a cover page with the photos that's in the album. And then I create the rest of it. This is a 3D ring binder album. I tell you how, I give you two different options in the tutorial how to attach these to the 3D ring binder. Okay, there's 6 pages in total, and all 6 pages are different. Then you have a different aspect within this as well. All right. So this page here is, you can either scrap it up just like a normal 12 by 12 scrapbook page. You could put a belly band on here and have some insert underneath of it. You could put a pocket here, and so that way you can put tags and extra pictures in. So I give you all those options within the tutorial. This side is left basic, and then this side over here is our interactive part. Okay, and the reason I do that is because you've got these rings here, and we have to be careful that we're not folding, against these rings. So this side is basic and this side is our interactive. Now you could do it totally opposite, have this over here and this over here. You just have to decide these questions before you start. All right, this is page 1, and this opens, and then this opens. Okay, and then this side opens up like this. Okay, and see what I mean? You're going against those ring binders. That's why this one is the very first page. And then we have a pocket here. And then these flip out as well. Okay. Then this flips out as well. Okay. So you have that. I know, it's going to be hard to keep on camera. So then you could design this page as well as just a regular scrapbook page as well. That's page 1. Okay, this is page 2. This is our second set. Here's this page over here that is constructed just like our 12 by 12 pages. And if you have a lot of photos, you could put pockets and belly bands to add more room for photos. I didn't need any more room for photos, so I just done it up just like our normal 12 by 12 scrapbook pages that we do. Okay, but if you need added room, you can put pockets, you can put a belly band. I give you options. All right, so here's this of the interactive part. Okay, oops, shaking the camera. Ugh. So you have tags here that pull out. I just left the backs plain. Okay. And then this opens up. Let me see if I can't scoot this over just a little bit more. And then these open up as well. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of fold it back so you can kind of see. Okay, these open up as well. Okay. And then you can flip this, and then you flip that, and then we have a pocket here for a couple of mats, and then you have this nice big area that you can scrapbook just like a normal scrapbook page. Now these albums, your 12 by 12 in a binder like this can hold up to, well, it depends on which style. I have several different styles, but this can hold well over 400 photos. Well over 400 photos. Now my second set, my Ancestry set, it will hold what I figure, 500 photos. So yes. Okay, I'm going to bring this back. It'll hold a lot of photos, guys. You know, instead of having 6 scrapbook albums, you can have 1. Okay. So again, here is just a normal page, just scrapped up, because I didn't need the extra room for photos. Okay, slide this over here. Now this here, we have tags in here as well. That holds this flap nice and tidy. Okay. It holds that flap nice and tidy. And then this flips open. So you have all of that. Okay. And then that just folds. And then these just slide in here. Okay. And then this opens up. And then this opens. And then this opens. So let me get this back in. See, this is so hard to keep in camera, but oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So you can scrap this up just like a normal 12 by 12 page. Okay. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I think. Nope. Yep, just like that. Okay, and that flips. Then here's our page here that you just scrap up. I left it pretty simple. Alright. So this one here, oh, this one's going to be very hard. Because you take your tags out here, and then this flips, and this flips open. Okay? Those flip open. So then you have this. And you have this. Ain't that neat? It's beautiful. This paper is beautiful. And then that just all closes like that. And then these go right in here in your pocket. That holds everything nice and tidy. Okay. So there's the other page, just plain Jane. You can put a photo, or just 2 big photos or a bunch of little photos. You can even go here with the photo. I love these pages. I love them. All right. Here is our 5th set. This opens up like this. Jeez. Just flips and flaps and everything. So this opens like this. Okay. Then that folds. Then you can open it up to that. And then this flips open again. Here you have a belly band. So these just pull out. Okay. You got room for your pictures. And then these pull out. Okay. And you do have a stopper right here. Okay. And then these are designed to where they stop right here. Okay. Oh, so beautiful. I hope you will want to make these. These are just fabulous. I have several sets too, but this is the Christmas one that I've done. Again, just a plain page, just to scrap up. Here is our last page. Okay. This one here has some tags here, and you have a little pocket here. And then this opens up, and then that opens up. Okay. Then this. Beautiful. And then that. And then these just all fit right back in here. Kind of holds that all nice and tidy. All right, and there's our last page. It's just a basic, 12 by 12 page that I just decorated up. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you will want to make these and purchase a tutorial for this. There is 6 different sets. So, I mean, you could just do 2 sets. Let's say there's 1 page that you don't like or 2 pages that you don't like. Then you can just do the 4 and then repeat 2 of them. So the options, I mean, really, guys, the options are endless with this. Instead of putting these here, you could put them over here. You could design this page opposite of this page. But your total in an album is 6 pages. Now, if you do them these back to back, I'd only do 4 pages because you're going to get too bulky. Okay, but I do explain that all in the tutorial. So there is lots of options with this. All right, and I did decorate it with the Simple Stories. It's a 2021 collection, beautiful collection, and I just used 1 paper pad. I used this paper pad and this and the embellishments. That's it. I filled in a lot of it with cardstock. So believe it or not, 1 paper pack and then this is all I used to decorate this. And then of course I used black cardstock and everything. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you purchase the tutorial. And yeah, or hey, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.